Hey there, this is how to get into Clever or Benchmark for Think Central. I went ahead, Antonio, and I've used yours. I hope that's okay since you had the question. And you are going to go into, here's your apps, the Benchmark Education app, and it's Clever. I don't know if it's really clever, but they call it that. You're going to sign in, and then you should see your assignments right here. And you should also see a library. There should be books in there. Your assignments, you have two of them. Book for day 3, distance learning right here. You're going to click on this one right here. And then you're going to click on this right here. And then it will open your assignment for you. So you will also need, that's like I had showed you today, you will also need, let me go back here to, see if there's an ebook here, to go to your library for your magazine. If you did not get it, it's Unit 3, week, all right, 3rd grade, Unit 3, right there, the animal adaptation. That's where the book you'll need for it is. I hope that helps. If you have any questions, let me know. Have a great one. And then you just click no there, and then you can go through like that. All right, have a good one. Thanks. Bye.